Classical building historical significance, origins and evolution. The Grand Bazaar traces its roots to the mid-15th century, when Sultan Mehmed II commissioned the Sevahir Bedestan of gems, to revitalize trade after the Ottoman conquest of Constantinople. What began as a modest marketplace soon flourished into a sprawling commercial hub, absorbing neighboring khans, caravanserais, and specialized bazaars. Over the centuries, it evolved into a microcosm of the empire's vast trade networks, where merchants from Europe, Asia, and the Middle East converge. Architectural marvel spanning 30,700 square meters, the Grand Bazaar is a masterpiece of Ottoman engineering. Its 61 covered streets and 4,000-plus shops weave through vaulted passageways adorned with intricate tilework and grand domes. The bazaar's design, both functional and artistic, creates a mesmerizing atmosphere where history and commerce intertwine. Shopping bags, a hub of commerce and culture, diverse offerings from glittering treasures to fragrant spices. The Grand Bazaar is a sensory feast. Visitors can explore jewelry, exquisite gold, silver, and gemstone pieces crafted by master artisans. Textiles, handwoven carpets, kileems, and luxurious Ottoman-style fabrics. Ceramics, vibrant Iznik tiles and pottery, echoing centuries-old techniques. Spices and sweets, stalls brimming with saffron, sumac, Turkish delight, and more. Each shop is a living museum, preserving time-honored crafts passed down through generations. Cultural interactions. Bargaining here isn't just shopping, it's a ritual. The lively exchange between buyer and seller reflects Turkish hospitality, where a cup of tea often seals the deal. The bazaar thrives as a melting pot, where travelers and locals share stories over shared haggling and laughter. Magnifying glass, notable sections and structures. Bedestans and Handik Bedestan, the oldest section, once a secure vault for precious gems and antiques. Sandal Bedestan, added later for the silk trade, now home to textiles and fabrics. Historic khans, merchant lodges like Kirksu Han and Buyuk Valide Han still buzz with workshops, offering glimpses into the bazaar's mercantile past. Mantelpiece clock, resilience through time. Challenges and restorations. Fires, earthquakes, and wars have tested the bazaar's endurance, most notably the 1894 earthquake, which demanded extensive rebuilding. Yet, each restoration has honored its Ottoman soul, ensuring its legacy endures. Upward trend. Modern-day relevance, tourist attraction with 250,000 to 400,000 daily visitors. The Grand Bazaar is Istanbul's beating heart. Its labyrinthine alleys invite exploration, offering everything from souvenirs to heirlooms. Economic and cultural impact. Beyond tourism, the bazaar sustains thousands of livelihoods, from artisans to tea vendors. It's a guardian of Turkish identity, where tradition thrives alongside modernity. Memo conclusion. The Grand Bazaar is more than a marketplace. It's a living chronicle of Istanbul's spirit. To walk its streets is to step into a storybook of empires, trades, and human connections. For those seeking the soul of Turkey, there's no better place to begin. Sparkles, join our community of explorers. When you subscribe, you're not just following a page. You're becoming part of a global family united by curiosity and wanderlust. Together, we'll uncover hidden gems, share travel tales, and turn dreams into journeys. Every destination is a new adventure, and every subscriber adds a new voice to our story. Hit subscribe now. Let's explore the world, one bazaar, one memory, one connection at a time. Globe Dizzy. Classical building historical significance, origins and evolution. The inception of the Grand Bazaar dates back to the mid-15th century, shortly after the Ottoman conquest of Constantinople. Sultan Mehmed II initiated the construction of the Sevahir Bedestan of gems, to bolster the city's economy and centralize trade. Over the centuries, the bazaar expanded, incorporating various khans, caravanserais, and specialized markets, reflecting the diverse commercial activities of the empire. Architectural marvel spanning approximately 30,700 square meters, the Grand Bazaar encompasses 61 covered streets and over 4,000 shops. Its labyrinthine layout is adorned with vaulted ceilings, domes, and intricate tile work, showcasing the architectural prowess of the Ottoman era. The bazaar's design not only facilitates commerce but also provides a unique aesthetic experience for visitors. Shopping bags, a hub of commerce and culture, diverse offerings. The Grand Bazaar is renowned for its extensive array of goods, including jewelry, exquisite pieces crafted from gold, silver, and precious stones, textiles, handwoven carpets, kilims, and traditional garments, ceramics, colorful Iznik tiles and pottery reflecting Ottoman artistry, spices and delicacies, aromatic spices, Turkish delight, and other local treats. Each shop offers a glimpse into Turkey's rich artisanal heritage, with many goods handcrafted using techniques passed down through generations. Cultural interaction beyond commerce. The Grand Bazaar serves as a cultural melting pot where locals and tourists alike engage in the age-old tradition of bargaining. This interactive shopping experience fosters connections and offers insights into Turkish hospitality and social customs. Magnifying glass. Notable sections and structures. Bedestens and Hans. At the core of the Grand Bazaar are two significant structures. İç Bedesten, Inner Bedesten, the original market area, primarily dealing in valuable items like jewelry and antiques. Sandal Bedesten, added later to accommodate the growing textile trade, particularly silk. Surrounding these are numerous Hans, such as the Kırksu Han and Büyük Valide Han, which historically provided lodging and storage for merchants and continue to house various workshops and boutiques today. Mantelpiece clock. Resilience through time. Challenges and restorations. The Grand Bazaar has faced numerous challenges throughout its history, including fires and earthquakes. Notably, the earthquake of 1894 caused significant damage, leading to extensive restorations that preserved the bazaar's structural integrity and historical character. Continuous maintenance efforts ensure that the bazaar remains a vibrant and safe destination for visitors. Upward trend. Modern-day relevance. Tourist attraction. Today, the Grand Bazaar attracts between 250,000 to 400,000 visitors daily, making it one of Istanbul's most visited landmarks. Its blend of historical ambiance and diverse offerings appeals to a wide range of tourists seeking authentic experiences. Economic impact. Beyond tourism, the bazaar plays a vital role in Istanbul's economy, supporting thousands of artisans, traders, and workers. It also contributes to preserving traditional crafts and promoting Turkish culture on a global stage. Memo. Conclusion. The Grand Bazaar stands as a living monument to Istanbul's rich history and cultural diversity. Its enduring appeal lies not only in its vast array of goods but also in the stories woven into its very fabric. For those seeking to immerse themselves in the essence of Turkish heritage, a visit to the Grand Bazaar offers an unforgettable journey through time. When you subscribe, you're not just clicking a button. You're joining a global family of explorers, dreamers, and adventurers. Together, we share stories, inspire journeys, and uncover the magic that this world holds. Every destination is a new chapter, and every subscriber adds a new voice to our community. Let's walk this path hand in hand, turning dreams into plans and strangers into friends. So, take that leap, hit subscribe, and let's create unforgettable memories, one adventure at a time.